Hello everybody, this is Papa Elf. Last time I showed you how to do some cool Instagram photos, Instagram posts using Inkscape. This week and in this video, we are still going to be using Inkscape, but we are going to be using it for something a little bit more printing related, okay? So what you see on the screen here is what you call an artwork proof, okay? So an artwork proof is something that the printer sends back to you or you send back to the printer to help the supplier visualize how you want your design laid out on the product, okay? In this particular example, we are using a protein shaker here, okay? And as you can see, we've laid out the Event Elves logo. Now we are going to do something like this. I'll show you how to do this using Inkscape, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I want to show you is this image. So this is what you call an artwork or a line drawing, okay? So most of our products come with a line drawing. And a line drawing is just obviously a drawing of the product. It gives you a little bit more information as well. In this case, it'll show you the different print options available for this product. So one is a screen print option, and it shows you the dimensions available for that print option, okay? And it also shows here that we can also do pad print, right? So pad print is a little bit smaller. It'll show you a range of colors here on the side. In this case, this range actually consists of the colors available for the lid and the colors that are available for the base, okay? So we can mix and match the colors of the lid and the base, all right? So we'll use this to start off with, okay, to create our artwork proof. So we'll get started. Let's open up our Inkscape program here. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to import in our line drawing. So here we are. As I showed you before, you want the poplar import, okay? All right, I'll just move this to the side. We're not gonna worry too much about our page for now. So we'll zoom in here a little bit. Now, when we inspect this image, it's actually one object, okay? So the first thing we wanna do is we want to see if we can break that up. So we go to Object, Ungroup. There we go, that worked. So it breaks it up into all its different components, right? Okay, now we're going to be using the screen print option. So we'll select this pad print one, get rid of this one. So just press delete, there we go. All right, now this is going to be an Event Elves product, so obviously yellow, right? Yellow is our color of choice. So we'll select the lid here. Now to change the color here, once we select it, it'll give us some options for our fill and our stroke. Really super easy. In this case, we're just going to be using our color picker. We'll pick our yellow from the image. Bang, there we go, and that's yellow. Now for the base, same thing. We'll select the base, use our color picker again, okay, and we'll select the clear option. And that's it. So we've changed the color for our lid and our base. So that's looking good so far. The next thing we want to do is we'll import in our logo. All right, so our logo came in SVG format. So this is ready to go, right? It imports in with no more dialog boxes. Okay, so we need to break this apart. We'll try ungroup, okay. That didn't work. We'll try it again. Ungroup. Sometimes we just have to try twice. There we go. It's broken it up, okay? I think it would look good if we move the E up top here. All right? So we'll do that. I want to make sure that the E is centered, okay? On top of event and then elves, okay? We can just select event. I'm holding down the shift key, selecting the E. Okay, I'll go to my align and distribute. And this is key, okay? You want to change that to the selection area, okay? So we'll align it to the vertical axis. There we go, it's aligned. We'll go and group this back together. So object, group, so that's easy to move around. Okay, we want to put this into our printed area here, okay? I'll grab one of the handles, holding down the control key to resize it. So holding the control key allows for the preservation of the aspect ratio so that it doesn't look all wonky and, you know, distorted, okay? Same thing. All right, try to get the maximum print area, get that bang for the buck, you know what I mean? All right, that looks good. Okay, so again, we want to align this to the middle of our square. Same thing, I'm gonna select the square, okay? I'm gonna hold the shift key and select our logo. And same thing, align and distribute to the selection area into the vertical middle. There we go. We'll zoom out. That looks actually pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. The last thing we want to do is we want to just clean this up and lay it out for printing on a piece of paper. So it says actual size 100% when viewed on A4 paper. Okay, so that tells me that I want my document to be A4 size. Okay, so really simple. We'll do this in 2 steps to make it simple. Okay, we'll select everything here. Okay, let's object, group it. Okay, so it's all one group. All right, that's already selected. We'll go to document properties. We'll resize the page to content. Okay, so just expand this, click that, resize page to content or selection. All right, so now this is our page size. Okay, now let's ungroup this for a second here. Object, ungroup. Okay, because I want to move this bottle in the middle. Okay, so we'll group this on its own. Object, group. Okay, just so it's the bottle. All right, I want to make the document size to A4, so we'll just click back here a couple times. Okay, so that's A4. Okay, so that when it gets printed, it actually looks the actual size. Okay, to prevent confusion. I'll just move this to the middle there, so that, and I'll move our colors to here. I don't really need to align it. I just want to make sure that if we ever do print this up, it's gonna look good, okay? And just for safekeeping, we'll group those two back together, okay? And that's pretty much it. We'll move that a little bit, okay? And that's our artwork proof. And we can print this. We'll export this out to PDF. The best way is to just save as, okay? Select the PDF format here. We'll just type in artwork proof. Save. We'll convert the text to paths, okay? Oh, it's already there. We'll just replace it. And we're done. Let's check it out. Artwork proof. And this is it, guys. So when we actually print this on, since our page size is actually on A4, if you print this on A4 size, it's gonna look perfect. It'll be the actual size. We didn't resize anything when we worked on this, so this would look great. And this is something that you can send back. It's something that you can play around with. You can test the different configurations of your logo, right? It's a good way to visualize. You can test out different color combos. So again, it's a simple and easy thing that you can do on your own. And I hope that this video helps you get a little bit more creative. If you have any questions with your artwork proofs, ask us, ask me. You can email me at papaelf@eventelves.com.au. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.